My name is John Savage. I'm with Davi and Valenti Movers. Davi and Valenti has been serving the Sarasota area for over 40 years now, and I myself as well have about 40 years of experience. Today I'd just like to talk about the process of hiring a mover for your upcoming move, whether it's a local move, a long distance move, within the state of Florida or internationally. It's good to deal with somebody who knows what they're doing, and it's good to be able to go out, talk to people, and find out who they've used to get a recommendation. One of the things I'd like to start off by saying is that the best place to find a mover or to get a mover's name is with your realtor if you're dealing with a realtor. They have a lot of experience. They've dealt with a lot of movers, and a lot of their clients have given them feedback on moving. That's a good place to start. It's also good to at least do a cursory check on the internet to find out a little bit about them. Maybe pick up the yellow pages, see what kind of ad they got, and then check their website to see what kind of product and services that they offer. Now, if you're moving across state lines or long distance, you really need to deal with a mover that has either a large fleet of trucks that haul their own tonnage or that are affiliated with a major van line, such as Mayflower United, and in our case, Stevens Worldwide. We have our own trucks, our own drivers, and your furniture is loaded by a Stevens driver on a Stevens truck, and it's delivered by the Stevens driver with Stevens labor. The first thing that you really need to do, though, when you're setting up a move is to go out and get yourself or set up some appointments for surveys to be done at your home, because you want the person or the company to see exactly what it is you're moving. You need to tell them exactly what services you want, what you're going to move, where you're moving to, the conditions of the facility or the conditions of the residence you're going to, so that a mover can give you a price based on the services. It's very important that you deal with somebody who will feel comfortable in giving you a guaranteed price, which will give you peace of mind. You really don't want to leave it open-ended unless you're confident that the services that they estimated are correct. Now, when you call somebody to come out to do the survey, the first thing they're going to want to do is get some basic information from you, and then they're going to ask to do a survey of the home. And what the survey will then produce is an inventory, such as this, of the items that you're shipping, the packing that you require, any bulky articles, and so forth. And that survey will then generate a proposal from the mover, whether it's a guaranteed price or not, but this is basically what it should look like. Completely itemized with transportation, valuation coverage, whether it's full valuation coverage or basic liability of 6 cents a pound, whether it's full packing or partial packing, whether you have bulky articles, an extra stop at a self-storage unit, as an example, extra labor, crating, and so forth. But it all should be on a piece of paper like this, clearly listed as included in the price total at the bottom of your move. It is very important that you deal with people who are reputable, because when they come out to your home, they're going to treat you with respect, and you know that when the driver shows up, you're not going to have any surprises. Accuracy is incredibly important. In addition to that, as I said, these movers must have Interstate Authority. In other words, a DOT number on the side of a truck does not mean Interstate Authority. They also have to have an ICC number, a tariff on file with the federal government, and they must provide you certain bits of information that are required by law. These are consumer information to help you both before and after a move. This is the most important document. It tells you specifically what your responsibilities are as the shipper and what the responsibilities of your mover is. It lists everything from getting weights to the proposals, whether they're binding or non-binding, valuation coverages, and everything. And it's important and required that every mover give this to you at the time of the survey. It means that they're following the rules and regulations put forth by the U.S. Department of Transportation. If you have a question when reading this, ask your surveyor or your sales rep or your representative. He should know everything that's in this booklet, the answer to any question that you may have if he's experienced. And as I said, there's also some things about additional items for information for when you do a move and if you have a problem. If you feel that you have been taken advantage of and you're moving with a van line, it's imperative that you contact them immediately. They will follow the rules and regulations. Van lines will not skirt the issue. They have a lot riding on this, and so they're not going to be taking you down the Primrose Path, so to speak. Okay, so now you've gotten into the process of getting proposals. Some people want to get 2, some people want to get 3. If you find somebody that you're comfortable with, you can get just 1. That's up to you. Now, scheduling your move is the next important thing, and you need to work with your sales rep in order to get that done. That's pretty much all we want to talk about right now. Next episode, we probably want to talk about scam movers and what to look out for and what not to do. So if you have any questions, please look down below in the comment section. There'll be an email address there. Send us an email, and you have a great day.